Did you know that you can change all the notes on this elevation into keynotes like this? The keynotes can either have numbers or names. Let me show you. You can use numbers, or you can use the description from the note database. And you can see that it makes your notes on the drawings a lot easier, a lot cleaner to look at. When you've got a lot of notes, keynotes are the great way to put a lot of information onto a plan, elevation, or section. Let me show you how to get started. It's into my annotations. So these notes here, I brought these in. They're from a database. I tick this option here, place as keynote, and I just have to make sure I put them on the correct elevation note legend. If you put them on the wrong legend, it's okay. You can just move them over, and you can see there, and these are using numbers. If I want to change these to use descriptions, then you'll see my brief description on each note instead. And as soon as I zoom my view or move around, they will update. So I just select my notes, place them as keynotes, assign them to the correct note legend. This is sheet 25, and they're updated. And the notes get added here. If you take away notes, let's remove a note. So let's just delete that note. Let's exit, and we might find here there's a NA, this one here. To get rid of it, I'm just going to select my legend. I'm going to remove the gaps, and OK, and it just removes the gaps. So it's a great way of putting a lot of information on your elevations, your sections, and your plans, even details if you want, and then choose to whether you're going to have them as a number or a description. Just be careful to make sure you connect your notes to the correct legend. In this case, it's very easy to connect the notes to the wrong legend. I've got two that are very similar. I've named them so that I can tell them apart. I've also got the drawing number so I know where they are. So if you get it wrong, you can just go back and fix it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see more about Keynotes, if you want to join my masterclass, click on the link in the description, become a member, and we'll go through this in detail in one of my masterclass sessions. See you later.